Hi there. So today I'm here to talk about a very popular concern that almost all the marketers are facing these days. And as a branding agency, I come across this constraint most of the times when we are approached for growth marketing, performance marketing, or how we popularly call it lead generation. So the topic I'm covering today is why your lead generation campaigns are not leading to conversion. Something that a lot of founders discuss with me when they say that we've been burning a hole in our pocket. We are actually spending too much on the campaigns, but there are no conversions. Well, initially we thought that maybe it is the ad campaigns that we really need to work on. But then as we dived really deep, in multiple business domains, I would say, whether it is BFSI, whether it is D2C brands, into home furnishings or apparels or exclusive designer labels, we have seen the similar thing. Maybe it is not the product, maybe it is not the brand campaign, maybe it is not the ad copy or the graphics. What could be the reason that your conversions are dropping? Well, have we aligned our sales communication with our brand? That is something that we really need to dive deep and think about it when we are talking about the conversion. Yes, whether it is an IT services campaign or a BFSI campaign leading to a luxury real estate property campaign, anything, the conversions largely depend on the sales team also. So how wonderfully, how beautifully, and how in a detailed way you are empowering your sales communication defines a lot about the conversions. So lead generation is very important part. You need the right kind of leads, you need the right kind of audience, you need to validate the leads. But if the conversions are dropping, it is high time we look at our sales communication. That can be in the form of the WhatsApp messages, it can be the emails, it can be the follow-up mechanism, and a lot of times it is also the conversation that your sales team is happening with the leads that you have generated and given to them. Yes, very powerful how they are communicating. Is the brand and the communication aligned at all three levels? When I say three levels, one, branding, second, the ad campaign, offer or the copy that you have created, and third, how the sales conversation is happening. Are they talking the similar language or there is a disconnect? A lot of times businesses, when they are scaling up, they dive deep into actually giving the rise to their sales campaigns, and they just run the lead generation campaign without communicating what is happening on the front end to their back end team. And that's where the gap emerges. Your marketing team will say that we think we are generating great leads, they are validated, they are up to the mark, but your sales team is failing to convert. They are not even appreciating the leads. Where is the gap? The gap lies in sales communication. So next time when you are talking about your leads not converting, do have a look at your sales communication and ensure that it is well aligned with your brand and marketing campaigns, and empower your sales team so that they empower your business. Thank you.